In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Calendly booking page. Whether you're scheduling one-on-one meetings, group sessions, or consultations, a well-organized and personalized booking page can make a huge difference for both you and your invitees. Calendly is a fantastic tool that simplifies scheduling, but to get the most out of it, you'll want to customize your events to match your unique needs. From adjusting meeting durations to gathering specific information from your attendees, I'll walk you through every step to make your booking page work seamlessly for you. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, locate the specific booking event you want to customize. This could be a meeting type you've already set up, like a client consultation or a team check-in. When you've found the right event, look for the 3 dots next to it. Click on those to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select the option to edit. This is where the real customization begins. Now, on the right side of your screen, a pop-up menu will appear. Let's start by changing the event type name. This is the label your invitees will see. So it's a good idea to make it descriptive and aligned with your purpose or brand. For example, instead of just meeting, you might rename it to strategy session or initial consultation. A clear and professional title helps your invitees know exactly what to expect. Next, it's time to adjust the duration of your meetings. Calendly offers flexibility here, so you can set the meeting length to 45 minutes, 30 minutes, a full hour, or whatever you prefer. Think about what works best for your workflow and the type of discussion you'll have during the meeting. Shorter durations might be ideal for quick check-ins, while longer meetings could suit in-depth discussions. After setting the duration, choose the meeting location. Calendly integrates seamlessly with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. So pick the one you use most often. This step ensures the meeting link will automatically be included in your invite, saving you and your attendees time. If you're meeting in person, you can also set a physical location instead. Now let's move on to setting your availability. This is where you specify the days and times you're open for meetings. Be strategic here. Blocking out times for focused work or personal commitments will help you maintain balance in your schedule. Once you've set your availability, we'll explore even more customization options. Click on More Options in the editing menu to access additional settings. Here, you can modify the event description. Use this section to provide extra details or instructions for your attendees. For example, you might include preparation tips or an agenda to help the meeting run smoothly. Another important setting to adjust is the limits and buffer times. These are great for managing back-to-back meetings and avoiding burnout. By adding buffer times, you'll ensure you have a few minutes to prepare, take notes, or simply catch your breath between sessions. While you're here, take a moment to explore the Free Busy Rules section. This allows you to set conditions under which your event will appear as available or unavailable. For instance, you can block out times when other events are already scheduled, helping you avoid double bookings and keeping your calendar stress-free. Scrolling further down, you'll find the booking page options. This is where you refine what your invitees see when they book with you. You can adjust things like the time zone display, confirmation messages, and other details that impact the user experience. Another powerful tool within Calendly is the Invitee form. Customize this form to gather any additional information you might need from your attendees during the booking process. For example, you could ask for their phone number, meeting topics, or anything else that helps you prepare. This step is especially useful for tailoring the meeting to your invitees' needs. Once you've gone through all these settings, take a moment to review your edits. Double-check that everything looks correct and aligns with your preferences. If you notice something else you'd like to tweak, now's the time to explore the other customization options available in Calendly. When you're satisfied with all your changes, don't forget to click Save Changes. This will apply all the modifications to your event, and your customized booking page is now ready to use. And that's how you customize your Calendly booking page to better suit your needs and create a great experience for your invitees. By taking the time to personalize your settings, you've set yourself up for a more organized and efficient scheduling process. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.